day all, I am Garfia of Grade 12B, a NEET aspirant. Today, as Doctor's Day, our school management has given us a wonderful opportunity to meet an extraordinary doctor, Dr. Francis Lawyer. He shared his life experience as a doctor and improved and enhanced our interest into medical field. On this Doctor's Day, I would like to wish and extend my deepfelt gratitude to all the doctors out there for your unwavering dedication, compassion and commitment for your well-being of your patients. Thank you.
I would like to thank the management for inviting me to this wonderful evening on celebrating Doctor's Day. I would like to once again express my sincere wishes to all the students with whom I had this interactive session, sharing with them the importance of becoming a doctor and the difficulties, and even though there are a lot of hardships, the dedication and the commitment which they will keep in mind and follow hard work will always lead them to success.
Hi, I am Dr. Abhinaya. It was my pleasure to be a part of Doctor's Day celebration. We visited the kindergarten students. There we also met all the students. They were so sweet. They all dressed up like doctors. It was a great day. Finally, I got the opportunity to visit their STEAM lab. Especially, I want to talk regarding their anatomy lab, which really looks like our dissection hall. Only the cadaver is missing. They have all the bones, they have all medical books, they have all the posters and regarding the medicine. It's very easy, it is very simplified in a manner these kids can enter into medical field in a very easy way. And I really want to thank everyone. A happy Doctor's Day on July 1st. Thank you everyone for this great day. Thank you.